Exercise file number 3, Spacesuit accessory using the hole and group tools. Now that you've explored the basic shapes library for your design so far, with specific dimensions in mind, and even perfected their alignment, open the hole to group link. For this final exercise, we'll be exploring another library. Locate the featured shapes generator and drag a twisted polygon into the work plane. You can adjust the twists from either top or bottom twists. I'll leave the points set to 7, but modify the bottom twist to -128. Next, modify the polygon's dimensions to 70 by 70 by 20 millimeters, and make it white to match your spacesuit. Back in basic shapes, drag in a cylinder to create our cutting object for our arm bangle. Adjust its measurements to 50 by 50 by 40 millimeters. Change the shape from a solid to a hole. This allows for openings to be made, hollowing out certain forms. Before this is done, let's make sure the hole is aligned at the center of the twisted polygon, using the black anchors accordingly. Finally, be sure to select all the objects you want to cut from. Use the group tool icon located in the top right. When you deselect, the hole will be made. Here we have our spacesuit accessory. Being familiar with the cutting aspect of the group tool, go ahead and make any grouping needed to your completed exercise files from today. Group your entire design together and be sure to export as an STL file for 3D printing. Make any desired changes to the exercise files we've worked through. Then, finally bring your designs to life. Now for the spec sheet. Congrats! You are now familiar with basic shapes, align, and group. I've also included an essential sheet for manufacturing best practices called a spec sheet. Each exercise has a corresponding sheet to fill out and check over your models to make a reality. This document summarizes key technical information about a product, including materials, dimensions, and so on. Lastly, don't forget to try out a bonus exercise I've included as a challenge to really hone your newly acquired skills and apply them to other creations you think up. Have fun translating the twisted polygon spacesuit accessory into a matching necklace pendant. See if you can recreate the design with overall dimensions of 30 by 30 by 5 millimeters, customizing its color as you prefer. Make sure to upload your bonus design on KiraKira.com to share with our community.